In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Elementor templates. If you're looking to enhance your website design effortlessly, downloading templates from Elementor can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and make sure you're getting the most out of this powerful tool. First things first, we need to open any page using the Elementor editor. To begin, navigate to the WordPress dashboard of your website. Select the page you wish to work on, or create a new one if that suits your needs better. Finding the page is simple. Just go to the Pages section, and you'll see a list of all your existing pages. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor interface, entering the live editor where the magic happens. Once you're in the live editor, your screen will display the canvas where you typically craft your website. Here's where you'll initiate the process of downloading your desired templates. Take a look at the panel on the left side where all your widgets and content options reside. Focus your attention on this area and locate the icon that represents saving a template. It's often a small folder or disk-like icon situated near the bottom or top corner of the editing panel. Click on this icon to proceed. This action will guide you to the My Templates categories. Essentially, this is your library of all things creative and pre-designed within Elementor. Think of it as a treasure trove of various templates that you've either created, downloaded, or wish to export for future use. As you browse through your templates, you are essentially exploring a wealth of design possibilities, each crafted to provide a unique appeal to your web pages. If you have a vast collection, you might want to take a moment to organize or search for specific templates that meet your current needs. Once you have navigated through to the template that you wish to download, the next step is straightforward. When you spot the template you're interested in, hover over it, and you'll see a small menu might pop up presenting you with additional options. Among these options, you should see Export. By selecting Export, you are directing Elementor to prepare this template to be saved to your local computer. The export process is usually swift and uncomplicated. As the template is saved, it will be in a JSON file format, which is ideal for later importing back into Elementor or sharing with others who might benefit from your designs. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded an Elementor template. Always remember, having an organized template library not only streamlines your workflow, but also empowers you to maintain a consistent and professional appearance across your website. We hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and tutorials to advance your web development journey.